Hello, lovely people. How are you guys doing? So, today I'm gonna be showing you how I created this glittery look. But let me tell you, things were not going smoothly today. No, it's probably my fault. I mean, it's 100% my fault. Because I started creating this look, but I had nothing in my mind. I didn't have plan. I didn't know what colors I wanted to use. Nothing. The only thing that I knew was that I wanted to use glitter, but I haven't even decided what glitter I wanted to use, what color. Nothing. It was a disaster, it was messy, it was kind of fun. I wanted this video to be a tutorial. I really hope you can learn something, although I doubt, because honestly, I had no idea what I was doing. I was just playing, but if you can learn something, if you find this video useful, I'm gonna be very happy. Second day curls. They look messy, they look like I tried but failed, and I love it. Even though things were not going as I planned, although I had no plan, but even though things were more rough today and more messy, I still want to post this video because I think that it's important to see that you can mess up and it's fine. I always say that it's makeup. You can wipe it off, start over again, and it's all good. You lose nothing, right? That's the beauty of makeup. It's an art that you can appreciate just for a few hours. But if you take a photo, forever. So if it's a good makeup day, take a photo. And even if it's not, I'm gonna sneeze. I hate sneezing when I have lashes on. I feel like they will poof. So yeah, even if it's not a good makeup day, still take that photo. Yeah, I'm a little bit ashamed of how many selfies I have on my phone. And it's the same pose. I'm so angry with myself because I'm like, maybe if I take 500 photos of this same pose, I will end up liking one of those 500 photos. No, it never works. Yeah, anyways, hope you guys enjoy watching. So let's go ahead and get started. Hello from me and my brows. I already have my brows done. Today I thought I would do something a little bit different. Just do my makeup in a different order than I usually do. Usually I'm applying first my foundation, then I'm moving on to the eye makeup, then bronzer, contour, blush, highlighter, all of that, lipstick, and we're done. But today I thought I would switch up the things because I feel like when I apply my foundation first, by the end of the video, usually when I'm filming a video, it takes me a little bit longer to do my makeup because, talking. I like talking, as you probably already know. And most of the times it's about some random stuff. But by the end of the video, my complexion is not really fresh, So I thought, let's do something different today and see how it will work. But first, eye mask. Ooh, look at that. Oh, it feels so good. Love it. Can you guys see the gold shimmers? Look how cool. I love eye masks. I feel like I can't really stand having a sheet mask all over my face. I find it really uncomfortable for some reason. There are very few sheet masks that actually feel okay to wear them. I don't know, most of them are so uncomfortable. I feel like they're constantly sliding off. I can't eat. Yeah, that's an issue. I can't talk. That's also an issue. So eye masks are pretty cool because they're not covering your entire face and you can still do stuff. I'll take my NARS smudge proof eyeshadow base. I'm gonna apply some of it on my eyelids. I think that for today's look, I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde eyeshadow palette. I also like this Nabla Soul Blooming eyeshadow palette. So let's use the Huda Beauty one for today's look. What do you say? I'm gonna take the Shadow Co Momentum, and you know where this is going. In my crease. Oh, you guys, I have no idea what look I want to create today. I know for sure that I want to use a ton of glitters, sparkles, shimmers, beautiful stuff like that, but I haven't decided what colors to use. Oh, I'm a mess today, like every day. Hello, this is my life. Next up, I'm switching to the Morphe Y18 and I'm gonna take the color code of Balance. Love these colors so much. Blending that in my crease. Have you ever thought how dangerous it is to wear pink eyeshadow? I noticed that recently. The other day I wore a little bit more of like a pink, purplish kind of makeup and I looked like someone punched me in the eyes. Like both of my eyes. Like this. I mean, the colors that I picked were very They were very similar to how the skin look after it's been punched. But pink is dangerous. Don't think that it is that very nice cute color. No, it's not. If you don't want to look like you're punched in the eye, don't mix it with colors like purple, and avoid that combo if the punched eye look is not your thing. So guys, what is up with you? What's new? I went to sleep last night at 4:30. I'm tired. So I decided to move forward with this eye, and guess what? We're creating a pink purplish eye look today. Yeah. I don't know if this is going to be the end result. I'm gonna show you how I did that, but I don't know, maybe we can change up a few things, make it look less purplish pinkish. I don't know. We'll see. Okay, let's take this off. I don't know how this material is called. Silicone. This is a lot thicker than any other eye mask that I've ever tried before. Let me show you how I did that. So I took the color code Cosmic with my finger and I applied it in the center of my eyelid, and then in the outer and in the inner corner of my eye I added the shade Ultraviolet. Then with a small precise blending brush, I used the Morphe M507. I took a mixture of the colors called Hot Mess and Vortex, and I added them in my crease, and then I went back to that first Morphe brush and I further blend the crease colors. Okay, listen, I don't like where this is going. Cotton pad and makeup remover on. Let's get rid of this. I tried to kind of fix it on this eye, but it's unfixable. It's a nice look, but this is not what I want to do today. I don't want to do something pink and purple, that's all. See, it's just makeup. If you don't like it, you wash it off. I mean, you wipe it off. And you can try again. Primed my eyes and I'm ready for a new look. So, I think like this time I'm gonna use the Nabla palette. Taking this shade, adding it in my crease. Next up, I'm gonna take the shade called Middle Karma, adding some definition in my crease with it. Now this eyeshadow called Garden Gate. It's so pretty. I'm gonna use my finger to apply it all over my eyelid. Next up, I wanna do something like a winged eyeliner. For that, I want to use this dark navy blue color here. It's shimmery. I don't know how it will look, but I'm gonna try it out. I mean, I can always wipe things off and start again, right? You can always take some of that eyeshadow on your brush and spray it with some setting spray. Just hello camera, I'm right here. Hello! Load that brush with some eyeshadow, make it a little bit more damp with some setting spray, and because the consistency of that eyeshadow is more creamy, it will really help it apply smoothly on your skin, and it will give you a lot more intense color payoff this way. Now again, Morphe M506. I have 5 of these brushes. This is a clean one. I'm gonna take a mixture of Middle Karma and this one here. Adding that in my crease, using it to create something like a very soft cut crease here. Okay, I wanna add some dimension in my crease, but I want it to be like a soft cut crease, you know? We don't want to have any harsh lines. I think that this look is going to be something like Galaxy, not the Samsung, Galaxy Stars, I don't know, Galactic Smoky Eye. This is where I think that it's going. Okay, let's diffuse everything. This look, I'm having a very hard time, okay? I hope you understand. So listen what happened here. I moved forward with this eye. I don't know how I feel about it yet. BH Cosmetics glitter in the shade Amethyst. It has so many different colors of glitters. It's a very nice mixture of all kinds of colors. So first, I applied some glitter glue. I'm using one by BH Cosmetics, avoiding the area where I have that eyeliner and the crease. Then on top of it, adding that BH Cosmetics glitter. And yeah, look how pretty it is. Whew. And then for that line that I have there, I used the Essence Melted Chrome eyeliner in the shade Steal My Heart. Oh, that's clever. I started to like it. One of the reasons why I didn't apply any foundation is because I have crazy amount of fallout from that loose glitter. I have glitter everywhere. even a little bit in my nose. If you use loose glitter, not this particular one, but any kind of loose glitter, just get ready to have glitter all over your house, all over the neighbor's house, all over the city that you live in, all over the planet. Yeah, it's magical, it's sparkly, it's beautiful until you have to clean it. Next up, I think that I can move on with my foundation, but first I need to remove all of that fallout that I have on my face. I will prime my face with this Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer. Oh, it's cold. I also want to add some of this 4th Ray Beauty Glow Up Face Oil. I don't know how this will work with my foundation. I just want to add a little bit. Oh, 1 drop all over my face. The more I look at this makeup, the more I like it. Guys, yesterday I came to a really important conclusion that I need to share with the world, okay? For foundation, Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Hydrating Foundation in 150. Ever since I got that foundation, I haven't stopped using it. It's nice. I like it. So yesterday I had that idea in my mind. What will happen if I cut off coffee completely? If I stop drinking coffee completely? So I googled that and so many articles showed up saying that, yeah, you need to cut off coffee, you don't need it, blah blah blah. Let me tell you, these people don't know what they're talking about. Moving on. But then I thought, what will happen if I Google the benefits of drinking coffee? And again, so many articles showed up, so many people saying that coffee is amazing, you should drink it, it helps you with this and that, and overwhelming, you know? So that makes me think that you need to be really careful how you Google stuff, because no matter what you're looking for, you will get the answer that you want to get, right? So like me, I just woke up and I thought, I should stop drinking coffee, and then I Google, why is coffee bad for you? And I found so many results, but I also found the equal amount of results why coffee is good for you. You know, it's how you Google stuff. If you Google the opposite thing, like let's say if you're Googling why something is bad for you, you should also Google why that thing is also good for you. And then decide for yourself what's right and what's wrong and what you want to believe in, right? I don't know, that's really messed up with my head. And I really wanted to share that with you so it can mess up with your head too. Right now I can have just a very random thought, which I have a lot of them all the time, and I can Google it and find answers. It's crazy. I don't know how people lived before that. I mean, it's not that the answers are always helpful because you're basically seeing the opinion of somebody else, but it's good that you can get an opinion by somebody else about something that you're wondering, right? A little bit of color corrector under my eyes, blending it out. Today I think I'm gonna use this ColourPop concealer, the Pretty Fresh one. I'm using the shade 40N. It's a very nice neutral color. It won't give you that super full coverage, but it doesn't feel heavy under the eyes. It's more of like an everyday concealer. This is a concealer that I would wear for more everyday look. I think I also said that in another video when I first tried it out, but you know, if you have more dry under eye, this is going to be a nice concealer for you. Going back to that Nabla palette, I'll take a mixture of these two colors and smudging them under my eyes. A little bit of this dark brown shade in the outer corner here. I also added a pair of fuzzies. I'm wearing the velour lashes in the style Here to Slay. I thought it said Here to Stay, but it's Here to Slay. I also set my entire face with the Becca Hydro Mist Set and Refresh powder. Now moving on to the contour. That blush smells nice. Benefit Gold Rush blush. Gold Rush blush. Love that. Now listen, I think that if you have found a good contour and a good highlighter, don't change them for nothing, okay? For me, this Too Faced Cocoa Contour Palette, I love it. I don't love all of the colors, I'm just using this light contouring shade here, but it's one of my favorite contouring colors. It looks really good on me, it's just the right contouring shade for me. For highlighter, this sleek highlighting palette is amazing. I don't know why it obviously hates me. I was saying that I don't know why, but most of the products that I love come in a palette along with some other stuff that I don't use. For example, from this whole palette, I like using this color, only this color. I can use this one on my eyes, for example, on my brow bone or something. This one is cream highlighter, this one never use. I never use this one. This highlighter is affordable, it's intense. What else do you need? Okay, I want to try out something. I've never tried this before, but I think that it will look good. So this here is the Ofra Face and Body Mist Radiant Setting Spray. I need to shake it first, but check it out. Ooh, ooh, look at that. So beautiful. So I don't want to spray this all over my face. I don't want to look shiny everywhere. This is just an empty packaging. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hold it here and I want to spray just the highlighting point of my face. It will also go a little bit on my nose, on my cheek here, but I'm gonna try to focus it only in this area. I definitely don't want to bring it on the contour here. Okay, here we go. This will give me some extra glow. I thought I could add some extra glow this way without adding any more powdery products on my face. So, lipstick. I'm gonna first line my lips with this Zoeva lip liner in the shade... I don't know what's the shade. But I'm gonna try to find it and I'm gonna list it down in the description box. Now on top of it, I have this lip gloss here by Zoeva. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's full of shimmers. It's so pretty. So this is what I'll be wearing on my lips today. Alrighty guys, and this is our final look. What do you think? I feel like you can only see this very bright line if I tilt my head like that. Now you see it, now you don't. Now you see it, now you don't. I think that this line that I added here was a great idea. So I hope you guys have great holidays. Yeah, it's Christmas, it's nice, it's fun. You go outside and everything is covered with those little lights and it's a fun time. I love it, so many decorations. I mean, where all of those stores store those decorations? I mean, that's a lot of stuff. Where they put them for the rest of the year? I mean, they take a lot of space. I don't know, I'm a little bit worried about the Christmas decorations and where they store them. Because every year, like if you go to the mall, every year, it's a different decoration. So what did they do with the decorations that they had last year? See, this is things that nobody thinks of. I mean, maybe somebody does, but now that's the only thing that you can think of. Unless you work in the mall and you know the answer. Should I Google that? So, hope you guys have great holidays. Don't think of those Christmas decorations. They'll be fine, probably. I don't know. If you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And also subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Press the bell button, which is right next to the subscribe button, to be notified whenever I post a new video. And thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully, I'll see you in my next one. Bye!